Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're discussing a crucial concept for homeowners, the difference between insurance coverage and the actual value of your home. Let's break it down. Replacement cost is the cost to rebuild your home to its pre-loss condition using similar materials and construction methods. It is the value insurance companies aim to insure. Insurance coverage. This is the amount your insurance company agrees to pay you in the event of a covered loss, like a fire. Imagine your home would cost $300,000 to rebuild. You might have insurance coverage of $250,000. Now, if your home is destroyed, your insurance company will only pay a maximum of $250,000. So you're responsible for the remaining $50,000, a significant out-of-pocket expense. This is called being underinsured. So, how do you ensure you have adequate coverage? Determine replacement cost. Consult with your insurance broker. They can provide an estimated replacement cost for your home, considering factors like location, construction type, and current building costs. Avoid relying solely on property appraisals. While appraisals provide market value, they may not accurately reflect the cost of rebuilding. Review your policy annually. Make sure your coverage limits keep pace with inflation and any home improvements you've made. Consider factors beyond the structure. Don't forget about personal belongings, valuable collections, or high-value electronics. You may need separate riders or endorsements to cover these items adequately. Understanding the difference between insurance coverage and replacement cost is crucial for protecting your finances. With the right coverage, you can minimize out-of-pocket expenses in a disaster. As always, consult an insurance broker for personalized advice tailored to your needs. Don't forget to leave a like and share if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more great content and click that notification button to enable notifications about when our next video is live. The GTM Insurance Agency offers a free consultation on all of your insurance coverages so you're prepared for any situation. Call 518-373-4111 or visit gtminsuranceagency.com for more information. Thanks for watching.